So hello everyone, this is Raja and welcome to your own channel. Let's grow together. So today we are going to discuss about some important market updates for the day. So in case you have not opened the Demat account yet, no, so link is there right in the description box. You can click on the link, you can open the account and start investing in your favorite stocks. So let's start the video. So here you can see that Sensex, Nifty, Nifty Bank and Nifty Midcap all were trading flat for the day. And that is why we have also faced some difficulties to do the trade. So we have been to the sideline for the day because every day you cannot generate the profit. Okay. So you can see that Sensex was up by 0.02 percentage, Nifty was down by 0.7 percentage, Nifty Bank was up by 1 percentage and Nifty Midcap was down by 0.23 percentage. So it's a kind of flat market. So now indecisive level is there. So in upcoming week we can expect some profit booking from the market. So when you're going to see the market updates for the overall world, that means Singapore Nifty, you can see that it was up by 0.28 percentage till the time when I have taken the report, and Nasdaq was down by 0.17 percentage. That means there is some indecisive level into the market. Okay. So you can see that out of 1600 stocks which has been listed in Nifty, 739 stocks were rising and 967 stocks were falling for the day. That means more sellers were there and buyers were low for the day. So let's see the top gainers for the day, the companies who has done good performance. So you can see that Adani Port, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and Infosys. So these four were the top gainer for the day, and the top losers were ITC, GAIL, Sun Pharma and ONGC. So there is some specific news regarding ITC. We will cover the same in the end of the video. So let's see the commodity market as well. So crude oil is up by 0.26 percentage. Natural gas is up by 1.10 percentage. Gold is trading flat and it has came to the buying level. So some buying is going to be happen in coming days. In case you want to add gold, you can add it now also. So you can see that silver is up by 0.38 percentage as of now. So let's see the US dollar. So you can see that US dollar is gone below 73 from a longer time. So it is trading at the value of 72.75 and it got much weaker. So it is not good for the IT companies because their major revenues are going to be given in the form of dollar only. So it will create a big impact on profitability of that companies. Okay. So let's see the important market news for the day. So we have created one Telegram channel where we have been giving the market updates on regular basis. So in case you want means we have just you can just click on description, the link which is going to be there. So click on the link and just get added to this Telegram channel, be updated with the market and all. Okay. So let's go to the market update. So you can see that FII, foreign institutional investors, has sold the value of 37.33, and DII, that means domestic institutional investors, they have also sold the stocks valued at 597 crores. So both has done selling, excess selling, because some they have been doing some buying and they have been doing some selling. So the excess they are doing, no, so both has done more selling today, and that is why market was down today. Okay. So you can see that the Assam government has reduced, or they have removed the COVID cess. COVID cess is a kind of charges which has been added to the petrol. So today they have removed the same, and because of that petrol prices and petrol and diesel prices has been fallen or reduced by 5 rupees. So it's a very good positive news for the nation. Okay. So the next news which is coming about Cochin Shipyard. So the next profit of that company is rising by 31.75 percentage. So it's a good number as far as this company performance is concerned, and they have also declared a dividend. You know, dividend means the excess profit they have been getting, they will be sharing that to the shareholders. The companies who is getting excess profit, they will share to the shareholders in terms of dividend, and they have declared a dividend of 4 rupees per share. So in case I'm having 100 shares now, so I will be getting 400. I will be getting 4,000 rupees. So 400 rupees. I'm sorry. So next, you can see that Chemcon Specialty. So they have been able to do good performance in this quarter 3, and they have given the good results. So net profit was up by 76%. It's a tremendous number. So the next news is coming through Indiabulls Housing Finance. So you can see my video. I have told you that in case you are buying other stocks or not, you must buy India Bulls Housing Finance because it is the kind of tremendous business. So now real estate sector is getting some recovery. So definitely this company is having a bright future. So you can see that the net profit of this company is up by 20%, 20.5%. Okay. So in times to come, I'm very much bullish on this stock, and I'm expecting a good performance from this stock in times to come. So in case you want to add up, please add up this stock in your portfolio. So the next news which is coming regarding the railway. So today railway ministry has given us the information that from April 1st the passenger trains are likely to be released or resumed. So it's a kind of bullish or good news for the IRCTC and other stocks which is related to railways and all. Okay, so that's why today IRCTC was booming. So the next news which is coming through Indigo. So Indigo is expected to release or to operate nearly 23 flights by April. Okay, so from March. So that means yesterday Spicer has given the information, and from today Indigo has also given the information. So it's a kind of bullish news for those aviation sector. Okay. So the next news which is coming through Home First Finance. So this is also a kind of home housing finance business company, but they have actually it's not they have reduced their net profit by 45%. So in the same segment, you can see that India Bulls Housing Finance has given a boost in the net profit by 20%, but they have declined their net profits. So you can understand the kind of difference in quality for both the companies, sir. Okay. So the next news which is coming here is from Deepak Nitrate. So the net profit of Deepak Nitrate was fallen by 31%, but generally it is very good company and it has given some good performance in times to in past, and the same kind of performance is expected from this company in times to come as well. So in case you are getting this stock at any dips, no, please try to add up. It will be giving you good handsome results in time to come. So the next news and the major news is coming through ITC. So lot of members has been expecting that ITC will be posting a good results because it has run up like anything, but unfortunately this company has failed to improve the performance by quarter. You can see that net profit is fallen by 11.4%, and the cigarette business, actually it is a good news for the humanity, but as far as business is concerned, you can see that it has been dipped by 8.7%. So this all are news for the day. So in case you want more things to be discussed in this video, no, so please do let me know into the comment box. I'm going to add up and I will try to explain as much as here I can do that. Okay, so that's all. Let's wind up for the day. Bye bye.